Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mayank Chuk. Today I am walking you through your best friend AI, a real live production grade AI SaaS application which I built using vibe coding. By the end of this video, we will you will understand what is the app does, how it built, the tech stack and how can you replicate the same methodology. Here is what we are covering today. What is your best friend AI? The problem it solves, live walkthrough landscape, dashboard AI, tech stack, React.js, Express 5, OpenAI, PostgreSQL, AI architect, 12 language, cultural tuning, security, PII, guard, rate limiting, helmet, wipe coding methodology, 32 prompts playbook. What is exactly this your best friend AI? Think about the last time you faced the real difficult problem, personal problem, conflicts with in-laws or career decision or legal matter. You probably called a friend or a family member, but professional advice is expensive and friends bring their own biasness. Your best friend AI covers 11 expert domains. The AI is culturally tuned. It responded in Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Marathi, Kannada, Malayalam, Punjabi, Urdu, Odia, and English. It also understands Hong Kong's language like Cantonese, Mandarin languages, English. It understands joint family arranged marriage pressures, and as an Indian, you understand UPSC journey. This is not just a generic chatbot. This is the actual live landing page at Koyeb app. The locale selector to top right currently shows HK, Hong Kong. The app auto detects your location and shows the relevant locale. The Indian locale shows your best friend AI with saffron color. The hero solves AI challenge with Hong Kong grit and AI clean CTA start free trial and view demo for trust signals below no credit card 1 month free 3 languages data privacy now let's go inside the dashboard. This is a POC project. It's everything free right now, nothing is chargeable. Let's go to. So this is the dashboard after you get it for after login. The dashboard left side shows the navigator. Top right, premium active pro badge with crown icon. Two charts, problem by stat green dot donut with all solved, and top category finance with education below. Two problems cards both solved. Right hand side not visible here but has referral code, redeem friends code input, and privacy and data selection. Let's go to next slide. On the left, the category selector 11 expert domain educations, laws, health, finance, career, family, government, technology, housing, mental wellness, and others. On the right, the filled in problems from after selecting career and employment title should I switch to banking IT to an AI career at 35, a very relatable problem to my audience. Description includes context about 12 years experience, family dependencies, wife supportive but parents concerned. Notice the privacy badge. Your data is private and encrypted. We never share your personal information with any third party. Trust is critical for this type of product. Click, click get solution and then AI pipeline runs. Let me walk you through the application as well. So this is the dashboard we were talking about, and you can go through this. That's what it's we are covering in this application. It just hang. Okay. Now go to if I log in. So currently it's free and down means not a very as a POC. It's running as a POC. It's not having a so much of scalability and handling traffic, but yes, it can give you one-on-one answers. So we you can try this app. This is the dashboard where we are what we are talking about. So this is the URL. I'll paste it in the description so you can use it. We will also talk about the admin dashboard, which is basically what users have been logged in. This is not admin users cannot log in through the simple login way. There's a different way which we can discuss if needed. So this is admin logout. It's a different way to log in, and this is we can also you can also check the traffic, contact request, users, and access control problems. How many problems it resolves? How many are the trials and active and expired? Let's go back to our PPT. AI solution detail page basically. This is the actual AI response page. This is the actual you can see the full chat style interface, original problems on the top, AI solution with the orange avatar, follow up chat input at the bottom. AI responses starts with Namaste setting the cultural tone immediately, then a three-step action plan at the end. Karam karo, phal ki chinta mat karo. A real Hindi proverb focus on taking the right action and trust that good outcomes will follow. The mock AI since no API key is configured, but the format is identical what real OpenAI responses produce. The structure, cultural awareness, and three steps format are all there. Step 1 user input title, description, language, validate by Zod scheme. PII guard, category specification, system prompts, AI backends. Currently we are basically using free where no paid subscription. Store in the data is stored in Postgres database. So we have whatever the users will input, it will be encrypted and it will go to the Postgres database. So none of the users can be see the data, their data. As I told, the 12 Indian languages, these are the languages. Each language also get culturally specific wisdom. So this is the tech stack. Front end basically React 18 with TypeScript, White 7. Backend Node.js, Express 5, TypeScript. OpenAI SDK as primary completely provided agnostic. One environment variable changes to from Ollama to anything. Security side helmet, CORS, HPP, 3-tier rate, limiting PII, payload scanning. Deployment Docker multi-stage Alpine Koyeb, free tier now. Terraform code for the ECS, Fargate when ready to scale. So this is the slide for each layer: network layer, application layer, request layer, data layer, and runtime layer. So L1 network layer, basically VPC, isolation, security groups, TLS 1.3. Application layer uses Helmet, CSP, course, allow list, HPP. Request limiting, L3 is basically request, L4 is data, PII guard, L5 is runtime, non-root container, request size, limits, generic error message in productions. If you are building an API for users, this is the baseline, not optional, from day one. So for this, vibe coding is a structured, repeatable methodology for building production software with AI assistant. You start with stack MD file, your source of truth. Every AI agents read it first, then 32 sequential prompts across 12 phases. The discipline one prompt at the time. Each is vertically complete AI, API, and UI together. After reach prompt validation, try scripts, test manual smoke, then move on. New features, extension recipe, modular. Don't rerun the 32 prompts again and again, no use. The entire methodology is repo, web, project, skills folder. I have packaged it as a Claude skill. So first application, first two application, web, there's another application which I shared earlier. This is the another application which I have developed using vibe coding. So these two application be, have been developed using pipe coding. However, now whenever I'll develop any application, instead of using vibe coding with this way, I will prefer to use skills of Claude. So that purpose, I have already developed the skills for this kind of a web project. So if you want, you can take it. You can check for any PIA information related to me. You can remove it, but be careful. It's nothing is. I cannot commit anything on that. This is completely. You have to check your step by steps configurations. This is a business model for the application. Currently, there are application is deployed for 12 locales: India, Singapore, Hong Kong, Japan, China, US, UK, Korea, UAE, Australia, Germany, Brazil. So you will get, for each locale you will get their own page, different page, and application wise also you will also get a different languages. Currently app is live, and you can get that application using this get my GitHub profile. There is no need for you to do anything extra. You just take that, run it in a local, can be done. If you have any monetization plan, if you like this application and you want this application to be monetized, since I have done it only for POC as an from my idea side, you can do it and you can monetize it and you can run it. Everything is in there in the GitHub repository. So deployment is in Koyeb deployment. GitHub repo is also available. Cloud skill is also available. You can use it for next development. Architecture documents, mermaid diagrams is also available. Monetization plan is a business strategy. If you want to improve or if you want to come in collaborate with me, I am also available and you can reach out to me. Privacy policy is also integrated. This is what we have seen it in the admin console. This is the current stack for the backend server, and currently basically database side it is deployed on Neon. Thanks for watching. For quick action, star the my GitHub repo, help others discover the project, try to live app, free for 30 days, link description, download the vibe coding Claude skills, use 32 prompts for the next project, leave a comment. What problem would you solve? Would AI solve? Thanks for watching. Thank you.